Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and tonight I have another unboxing for you guys. This unboxing is very special. This is from All Airplane Iberica. They are from Miami. They are currently moving to Europe, or Spain or so, I believe. So they're pretty much selling everything they have in their collection. So I did purchase these two aircrafts from them. So first up we have the Air Canada 787-9 in the Congratulations livery. Super cool to finally have this in my hands. And we also have the Fiji Airways One World A330-200. Now, it looks like, I don't know if this is the flaps down version. You know, if it is, but we'll have to take a look in a second here. And then they also included a bunch of stuff. So these things are pretty nice, you know, so thank you very much for including this. As well as we got some other merch here. Looks like we got some Orlando Collectibles Show 2026. So maybe I'll try to make that this year. But for you guys who maybe are confused here, this is the seller here. So mostly on eBay, I believe. I think they also have an online shop. But yeah, pretty cool, guys. Got some gift bags too. So that's nice. I'll definitely gonna keep this merch here. We also have some pins for this year. I think they were planning on being there this year, and they didn't go or aren't making it. I mean, I don't know for sure. Okay, that's a light. Okay, what else do we got in here? All right, guys, starting off, we have this A330-200 and the One World livery here. Let's get it open. All right, guys, we now have the A330 here. What a beautiful looking model. I believe this is by Phoenix Models. I am thinking about doing a model of the Fiji airport. That would look really cool. Absolutely stunning aircraft here, guys. Look at that. I've actually low-key always wanted this airplane. It's just that I never got around to getting it, to be honest. But like I said, these guys were selling everything they owned at a really good price because they're moving out of the United States. So, you know, I took advantage of the amazing deals that they were offering. So thank you very much, guys. And now I have this in my fleet. They still actually do fly the A330-200s to this day. They're mostly just between Fiji and Australia and New Zealand, I believe. So these are still flying today. You just don't see them in Los Angeles anymore. You only see the A350s in Los Angeles mostly, guys. But these are still flying. I've seen some recent videos, especially if you check flight radar here. So very valid aircraft that's still flying today. I believe they fly to... No, I don't think they fly to Honolulu, but... Anyways, guys, really cool plane there. Let's get into the next one of the Air Canada 787-9 here. All right, guys, I've always wanted this in my collection, too, to be honest with you. It's kind of like the... well, it's not like it, but same type of plane as the... what do you want to call it? The... same type of plane as the... Air Canada thank you livery or welcome livery. Same type of livery as the Air Canada Fly the Flag livery on the 787-9. I'm sorry, guys, it's late. Trying to get this unboxing in for you guys just because it's really cool to have these in my fleet finally. Let me get you guys a closer view. What a cool plane to have, especially on the tail. I think there's like a bunch of names on the tail. So if you look closely, look at that. Super cool. Very unique livery here. I may do a Canada airport in the future here, guys. So stay tuned. I think Vancouver would be a really cool one to do, to be honest with you guys. Let me see here. But yeah, I mean, this guy flies to, I mean, I'll just say this, all around the world. So this can definitely be used in a lot of routes. Yeah, I think I really want to do a Canadian airport. That would be really cool. So stay tuned for that, guys. Definitely going to do that in the future here in 2026. You guys can expect a lot of big airports in 2026 to be coming from our Airport Nation. Look at the wheels on that. Definitely a very high quality model here, for sure. I literally got these at such a good price, guys. I Literally, he sold me this one is for $20. And then I think for like, I don't even know. I think I paid $70 for both of these. So really, really good deal, guys. Thank you again. All right, guys, and here they are together here by their respected boxes. What an awesome unboxing here today, guys. Shout out to All Airplane Iberica, and thank you for your years of service selling aircraft in the United States and shipping all around the world. I do appreciate you and everything you've sold to me. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching this video here. And we'll see you guys in the next video. I'd like to wish you guys happy collecting, and stay tuned to see these on my aircraft on my airports in the near future as well, guys. So yes. Until next time, guys, happy collecting from All Airport Nation to you guys.